What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another banger video, yes sir. This your boy onlinehow, call me no, and I'm back with another video. And this video is gonna be real different than the other ones. Like I did like 2 reactions, but it's gonna be something different for everybody. Everybody can use this method. This is for how to get money during summertime or anytime. Or if you're grown up, you need some little quick cash in your pocket. But yeah, this is, I'm gonna give y'all 3 methods how to get money like this. Alright, y'all stay tuned.
Go crazy. I can't rap about shit if I ain't speaking facts. I'm the youngest of trappers, nah, this ain't no act. On the block slinging rocks with them illegal straps. On the block serving drop, making illegal raps. With this gun I'm a pro, nah, I can't be no rookie. I'm fucking with killers, I know that they with me.
So the first method to get money. Yes sir. It don't look like a lot, but I just started this method. So like, alright, the first method is you can sell stuff. Sell your items you don't use, like your shoes, you know, your clothes, you know, like stuff you don't really use like that, like your appliances, your phone. You know, you might get a new phone or something like that. So yeah, you can sell everything. Like you can sell on Letgo, OfferUp, Amazon, eBay. You can sell all that stuff. Like if you need a quick buck or something like that. So yeah, like I said, you could sell like almost anything, like pillowcases, your bed set. Like I said, your clothes, your shoes, you can sell anything on eBay, Amazon, Letgo, or OfferUp. Or you can do your own thing, like you can tell your friends that you need to sell something, they might want it. So like yeah, this the second method. You can try to get a job. Like get a job, simple. Get a job anywhere. I know it's like one place that needs somebody. So you can get you can go to Walmart, Target, I don't know, McDonald's, you know, McDonald's near everybody, Wendy's, you know, like fast food restaurants or something like that, or like Target or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, you can get a job like that. Just get a job, simple. Government job, you know, any type of job. And like the third method, I'm using this method right now. This is how I got this right now. The third method right here. This is the third method. This is the method I'm using. The third method, the method is you can do chores. Simple. Chores or like neighborhood stuff. So like say you got like an old person like living beside you. You can ask them like, you want me to cut your grass for a good little price? And they might say yeah. So you can cut their grass. You can take out their trash. You can take up their trash. You know, old people don't want to get up. You can take out their trash. Or if you got a neighbor or like somebody that live close to your community, you can walk their dog. You can walk their dog, simple. We walk their dog. You don't have to walk it that far, like walk a block, then come back. So that's how you get money. The first one, you know, I said sell your items, stuff you don't use. The second method is get a job, any type of job. Then the third method is do chores in our neighborhood, you know, chores in your house, take out the trash, you know, do anything, cut grass, you know, just do random stuff for your neighbors and stuff like that. This how you get money for the summertime for anybody, you know. Alright, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. There's gonna be more lit videos coming in the future. And make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram at no. My Twitter, selfmade_Nolan or if I change it. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and give me some more like videos. Give me like some more things to do in the comment section or whatever. Because like I have a lot of stuff coming in the future. I just don't know what to do right now. But alright, oh yeah, it might be another vlog or whatever coming because I'm going to a lacrosse game. Like a lacrosse game. If y'all didn't know, I like playing lacrosse and stuff like that. And I'm going to Florida real soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Alright. Make sure y'all, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get at least about like, I don't know, a lot of subscribers for the summer end. Come on, man. Get me to them numbers that I need. Come on, Brody. Come on, man. Come on. Alright, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And turn post on notifications because, you know, more bangers coming in the future. Let's get it. Y'all gonna be on this ride with me like I said last video? I hope y'all do. Come on, man. Y'all gotta be on this ride with me, bro. Come on. Come on, man. Alright, man. See y'all with the next one.
Go crazy. illegal rap. I can't rap about shit if I ain't speaking facts. I'm the youngest of trappers, nah, this ain't no act. On the block slinging rocks with them